In this video, we're going to cover the daily sales report package. Let's begin by opening up our reports icon and making our way down to the sales report section. Our second option here is our daily report package. This is comprised of 7 detailed reports. Now we have options that are savable to select which reports that you want to see on the daily. So if you choose that you want to see the daily summary and the payments only by selecting those with check marks, those will be on by default for the next time you open it. If rather you want to see the sales detail, purchase orders, other charges, adjustments, and your AR invoices, the full shooting match, so to speak, then those will be on for the next view. We have our quick tiles of information cascading horizontally here. I'm going to simply look at today, and we're going to run the report. Now the results that we see are going to be in total pages. So we'll pay attention up here in the top left of the screen here. We are looking at page 1 of 6, and we are date and time stamped in these reports. And down at the bottom, we're at 170% on our viewing angle. So we're going to zoom out to about 100%, and that way we get a little bit better scope of the screen. Now in our first summary report, we're going to use this as our cash counting sheet. We're going to be able to see what our total sales are for the day, but we're also going to be able to have a quick sheet to look at our income of the day as far as our cash, check, and credit card payments. So as you see, we have all of our cash, our check transactions, American Express, Visa, aka our credit cards, and then as you see down at the bottom here, we have our statistics section. This is also going to include our debit journals, credit journals, sales with and without tax, etc. When we go to page 2, now again, this is that 7-pack report. We have our sales detail report. Now this is going to be the high-level view of each of the repair orders so far for the day. Now this might be the end of your busy day, or in this example here, we're midway through the afternoon of our daily sale. We're going to look at our next page. This is going to give you the individual breakdown of the cash handling. So if you have to do a bit of an audit, you can go back and see exactly where you're looking, including your check numbers if we're hunting down a specific check if it's missing. Next, we're going to look at our charge sheet. Now, this is going to be handy for dealing with core charges, as well as any sort of tire collection fees, or might have a battery impact fee if you're in the state of Florida. But as you see here as well, we have an engine oil disposal fee as well if you keep track of those. All these are our charge type items, all grouped together on the same sheet. If you have any adjustments of your inventory, you're going to see adjusted items pop out on this sheet. And then our last but not least are any AR invoices. Now these are going to be invoices that are tendered, that are moved over to accounts receivable intentionally. Now when we take an invoice in and that payment window pops up and we decide that we select charge to AR, it's going to make its way here. It will also make its way to this report if we tender no payment and we hit cancel. So that way we know which specific invoices each day are not paid. We want to thank you for watching this video.